Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. In this video we discuss about Convertkit. What is the Convertkit and what is the use of Convertkit? The email marketing tool designed for creators is called Convertkit. Convertkit helps you connect with your audience and grow your business using email marketing software that's so easy to use. You can spend less time in our tool and more time creating. Send simple and beautiful emails. The writing and editing experience of email marketing can be a sticky point for many creators. Our email designer helps you breeze through the editing so you can focus on writing your content, the most important part of email. Essay email templates. Create as many branded email templates as you like. Set one as the default so that nothing slows down when inspiration hits. Clutter free writing experience. Inline styling option helps you to add button, image or videos to your email with a simplified interface for a great writing experience. Stay out of the spam folder with ConvertKit deli- delivery. ConvertKit has an extremely high delivery rate of 98% and a healthy reputation with email provider, which means your emails are more likely to end up in the inbox where they belong. Send email broadcast, send automated broadcast. Send email broadcast, use filter to choose who you want to connect. On second number, write your contact. Third number is add, click send or schedule your email of later. Send automated emails. Set up the path your subscriber will take through your funnel. Write your content and add more email to your series. Email will send automatically based on your subscriber's journey. I can set up a form to send an incentive in under 5 minutes with ConvertKit. With incentives such as quick printables, I have been able to grow my list to over 50,000 email subscribers. Grow your email list with sign up forms and landing pages. Set up landing pages or add a sign up form to your website to share a new creative project in minutes. And because every ConvertKit account comes with unlimited forms and pages, you can share every single idea you come up with. Build a beautiful pages in minutes, designed by world-class pros or fully customizable templates are made to catch eyes and grow email list. There's no coding required and they shall look great on every device. Automatic free download delivery. Set an incentive automatically delivery whenever someone fills out your form or sign up on your landing page. All you need to do is upload the file in your account and we shall do the rest. Organize and understand your subscribers. No need to create a new list every you launch a new project. ConvertKit is subscribe century. Add tags automatically based on your subscriber actions. Add a drop down list to your sign up form for subscribers to tell you more about themselves or tag them based on your link they click in your emails. Create a customizable segment. Use a easy filtering system to create a group of subscribers based on tag, custom form fields, their location. Whatever you like, there's no limit to the number of segments you create, so you can be as specific as you need. automated email funnels. Get back to your creative work and let our funnel do the tedious stuff for you. Whether you sending welcome series to onboard new subscribers, launching a product, or offering a daily email course, targeted content at the right time, exclude buyers from the product pitch with smart filters that let you control exactly who gets sent what. You shall never accidentally pitch someone a product they have already purchased. Learn from the data. Understanding how your audience interact with your email help you make better decision in the future. Your subscriber graph and stats gives you quick insight into which emails perform the best. States on every email. Are your are your subscribers getting into your content? See how each email perform by looking at the open and click rate. A/B testing. Not sure which email subject line to go with. Test two different lines to 30% of your list and our system will automatically deliver the winning copy to the rest. Turn your newsletter into income. Your audience wants to support independent creators like you know more than ever. By adding a paid newsletter to your offering, you can create a new channel of valuable content your audience is excited to invest in. Plans for every stage of your creator journey. Free for new creator building their list, creator for growing creator, and creator pro. Next is Convertkit built for people like me. Let's find out. Do you identify as an online creator, as you a blogger, broadcaster, YouTuber, maker, course creator, freelancer, coach, musician, or photographer? Do you make digital or physical product, provide service, build software, or have ads? Which plan should I choose? Our free plan is great choice for creators who are just getting started with the building an audience on ConvertKit. The creator plan is perfect for creators who wants to get. Is the free plan really free forever? There is no credit card required to sign up for a ConvertKit free account. As long as you are managing less than 1000 subscribers and you don't need access to any of the features available in Creator or Creator Pro plan, you can stay free on that plan. And this is our introduction about ConvertKit and how can we work on ConvertKit. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. We shall meet in our next class.